Hey, what's going on? It is JP with Max Tr3 Revival coming at you. I've been trying to get to some welding, and this week has not been that kind of week. It's been like really extremely hot during the day with humidity and everything, and I'm just not motivated to get out to the garage and sweat like crazy. Here's my list, which hasn't been updated in a long time, so I'm gonna try and take care of that. So here's my original piece that I had put together, and here's the cap that I made in that last video. I want to get that welded in. Well, sometimes I chase myself a little bit in trying to get things done. So what I was doing was I was going back and just checking for pinholes in the piece that I had added on top here. And I had a few, and I wasn't happy with it. I still have to finish weld that. A couple more spots will just clean up the grind. But I'm satisfied. I've got no pinholes left. It's strong. So then I've also played around with the actual fitment here to get it a little tighter. So now I'll see if I can't put some weld on it and get it in there. Pretty sure I'm getting good penetration. I dress it up a little bit, but if you can tell, this one wasn't too pretty either. So make it a little cleaner. Well, there it is. It's all said and done. It's about as far as I'm going with it. So it looks pretty good. I dressed it up just a tad, but I didn't go crazy on it. So, but it's nice and solid. Welding's coming back around, and here is the new list. Need to finish that frame and get the frame to the sandblaster. Also wanted to cut those pipes, didn't get to it today, and set up some of the smaller bits for cleaning. So here's kind of the next issue that I've been thinking about. I think I may do is cut here and see if I can cut right here, take this off, and then see if I can get down some good metal and take two pieces and weld them in with the two tubes that I have right here. Slide a piece down in and then recap it. So if you look at that backside right there, you can tell that's some pretty thin metal. So I'd like to get on down area here where it feels a little more solid, which is below where this is. So I'd have to map out the two corresponding holes. Fortunately, on the other side, I do have the measurements, and this is pretty thick gauge right here. So I'm wondering if I can just slice that apart right here. And it's actually peened over right here, but I think on the inside, yeah, I think I should be able to just kind of get this back out of the way if I take it easy here, because that looks like it's just welded on top. So my My problem being, I think that if I take it to a sandblaster and they start working on these areas, that they're just going to blow some holes through it. Now I'll be back at square one of trying to do some more repairs. There we go. That's my update. Tell me what's going on with your projects. Like, tag, share, comment, even about my bad welding. I don't care. Have a good one.